If you're wondering how to delete your Grab account, this guide is for you. So, to delete your Grab account, this is an official guide here. Just follow it. You can submit a request to delete your account under Settings. Please submit a help ticket within the app with your current email and deletion request, and we will cancel your account for you. To submit a help ticket within the app, follow these simple steps. Number one is select help from the main menu, then touch open help ticket. You can also send an email directly to help@getgrab.com to open a ticket. So very simple. You just go into settings, then you can find the help in the main menu, and then click on open help ticket and use your current email and to ask them for cancellation. Just write them and they will cancel the account for you, because there is no current method to cancel the account yourself. So you just have to contact the Grab support. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.